Bell Equipment. This is very interesting because this company basically invented a machine back in the 1960s that did forestry and timber management. They then had a great run and developed a bunch of different products in that articulated dump truck and digger and loader and excavator and all of those sorts of things. Headquartered in northern KwaZulu-Natal, and Richards Bay is where they do quite a lot of the manufacturing, although they do also have a plant in Germany. Market cap 1 billion rand, price earnings ratio 10.5, dividend yield 1.9. The problem here was that when you're a small player in a global industry and you're depending on exports and imports and there's currency volatility, they just about went to the wall in the 08-09 downturn and the years that followed. Let's have a look at the share chart. Even prior to that period, they were in a world of trouble. Got a little bit of a recapitalization deal where the IDC got involved. What do you think?
Recent earnings were amazing. So, you know, almost doubled. Recent earnings. I think the pity with the stock is it's so illiquid. I think it provides great value.
Because the Bell family still owns quite a lot of the stock, and then the IDC through the recapitalization also big stock, so they're not sellers.
Yeah, so there's hardly any trading on the stock, which for me is it's a pity because it really is. I think at this price it provides great value.
And they developed quite a lot of new products in the last years that they say have got considerable potential in the global market.
And the ADTs, as you said, the articulated dump trucks, they're finding new markets for those as well. America's quite interested in those markets now as well. So, so I think there's a lot of blue sky for the stock actually.
But
just it's hard to trade it. It's really hard to trade it. That's
and that diminishes institutional interest, which means that you as the retail shareholder are kind of coming in at the fringes might find it easier to buy than to sell, and you know it kind of gets a bit sticky. So perhaps one to watch for the future, but perhaps not to jump in right now.
Yeah, I think if you start getting seeing results improve substantially and you start getting more liquidity in the stock, I definitely think it's one to own.
Yeah, and there could be a target of a buyout offer, perhaps.
Absolutely, yes, there could be.
Perhaps. Okay, good. So I'm going to go not hot with Bell for the time being.
But I'm going to go hot.
You're going to go
long-term hot.
Excellent. Yeah. Excellent. Good. Well, there we go. I don't know what happened there, but the time absolutely ran away from us.